Open Safari browser on your iPad and navigate to studio.youtube.com. Once there, tap on Create and Upload Videos. An upload dialog will open. Tap on Select Files to choose the video that you'd like to upload from your device. Give the video a name and a brief description, and then scroll down to add it to a playlist and tap Done. Scroll down to check No, it is not made for kids, and then tap Next. This screen doesn't need any changes, so we'll just tap on Next. This screen also does not need any changes. Go ahead and tap on Next. Be sure to check that the video is unlisted and then tap on Save. The upload dialog will show, and we'll wait for it to finish uploading, and then it will process. Once the video is done processing, we can open up YouTube in your Safari browser, view the video, tap on Share, and then tap on Copy to copy the link to this video to your clipboard, where you can go over onto Fisher and add the video link.